Hi, welcome to day 110 of 365 days of art in nature. We have a bit of an interesting and colourful prompt for today. So have a look at that. Commit it to memory. What's it all about? Add colourful birds to the perches. Perhaps they could be interacting with each other. Oh, that's rather cute. So one more look there. Just draw some random single and double T perches on a page and just go loose and expressive with drawing whatever birds you like and make them chat amongst themselves. Have fun with that one today. Thanks for watching.